So in this problem we have to place the point object in front of concave mirror such that the image of the object forms an itself. So this is a combination which is given. So let the distance between object and the concave mirror is x. Now whenever we place a transparent slab in front of an object, it shifts the position of the object by some amount. If t is the thickness of this glass slab and mu is its refractive index, then the amount of shift is can be calculated by t times 1 minus 1 by mu. So here we substitute all the data, that gives us 3 times 1 minus 1 by 1.5, which basically is 1 centimeter. So the object shifts to a new position O prime, which is at a distance 1 centimeter from O. Now the new position of the object is O prime, which is at x minus 1 centimeters from the concave mirror. Now for the image to form on the object, the light rays have to retrace their path back. So this is possible only when we place the object at the center of curvature of the mirror. So we can write 2f is equal to x minus 1, that gives us x is equal to 2f plus 1, and since f is 20 centimeters, we get 2 into 20 plus 1, that gives us x is equal to 41 centimeters. So this is the position of the object.